What's another thing? What's another massive stress I've had lately? I mean, fuck, we have not been doing what we thought we were going to do in storage. For those of you trying to get your first deal, I am right there with you.
How long you been going at it?
Not a year, but I mean, a long time.
Those are bigger investments. They're bigger. It's more to analyze. Those deals take longer.
I don't care.
They take longer, but they're very lucrative.
I don't care.
So have you looked? So I was at my house. They're building a new Daryl storage. And I was kind of thinking about that. And I was just like, so, I mean, I guess it's similar to new construction homes.
I don't want to do development. I don't want to have the first one be like a ground up. I have no, bro, I've rehabbed 3 houses. Like, I don't rehab.
But you're not rehabbing.
Okay, now I jump right into a developer, and it's probably a limiting self-belief, but then I don't like the government, right? Like, you got to deal with the government and get everything approved to where, like, we will take on a development deal if it's half of it, right? To where we do want room for expansion, so we plan on it.
Because I feel like it'd be easier to almost raise capital for it, because you're not dealing so much with like tenants or like the people.
No, it's easy to raise capital for the self-storage, but like to raise capital for a development deal, for me, these people aren't getting their money back for like 5 years, right? Because we got to build it. Then we got to fill it up, and then we got to cash flow. You know, so that's a whole process that you have to go through. To where if we're buying one that's already existing and we can cash flow on day one, and then we know we can go raise more cash to add on to it, then that's even more fun. And you get both sides, right? You get that appreciation and you get the cash flow.